Hi guys, David again with Horizon Construction. I'm excited to show you one of our latest projects here in the beautiful city of San Clemente. I'll explain a little bit as we go. So all of this place where I'm standing at used to be the outside porch before, and that used to be the front door into the house with a wall with windows. Obviously we took everything out, built an addition to become a front foyer. Everything here with vaulted ceilings, grand entrance to the house. As we keep going, we've redone the whole space here completely. There used to be, instead of one large kitchen over here, there used to be a laundry room, a small bathroom, and the kitchen was just a small section of the area. Everything was gutted, everything was demolished here. We created one big, beautiful kitchen space with vaulted ceilings, exposed beam, a lot of lighting. We enlarged existing windows that they used to have here, created a larger frames. We enlarged the entire window space to become huge sliding doors here, 2 of them with windows on top that match exactly with the beam and the atmosphere of the house. As we keep going, big open concept kitchen with an island. And going inside, we've done additions to the front of the house so the homeowners can have a whole mudroom and additional bedroom in the front of the house with vaulted ceilings and a lot of storage space. Let me show you outside a little bit from what we did. As we go outside, the whole space here was remodeled also, all new decking, and obviously a place for them to watch from the master suite to look over the ocean so they can see. None of that was here before. The balcony was built, the doors that you see had windows before. We built that balcony so they can relax after a long day of work, watch over the ocean view and enjoy. Take a look at the beautiful landscaping here. Most of it is also pretty new. The fireplace and everything you see here with the grass, cement pavers, all of that was not here before. Let me show you, this is the way to the actual new ADU that we built for the homeowners here. Come after me. And from a big, nice yard to go into the ADU, all of that is brand new. It wasn't here before. So we created an extra living space for the homeowners so they can host, enjoy. The place here has a full bedroom, full bathroom, a kitchenette, everything 1 or 2 people need to actually live here comfortably, with vaulted ceilings, skylight, very nice finishes, wood cabinetry, nice bench, seating areas, everything you might want in your home. Come take a look so you guys can see what I'm looking at. We're right on top of the balcony that we built, and we can see the beautiful ocean views from here. If you guys like what you see here, give us a call at Horizon. I'll be happy to come over to your house and make your dream home come true.